G'day guys, it is Trav here from Neighborhood. Are you wanting to monitor your website activity without having to leave the HubSpot platform? Today we're going to show you how to generate and install a HubSpot tracking code so that you can dive into analytics across your blog, website and landing pages, as well as get that cookie data. As a heads up, this applies to all plans to utilize this feature. And if you're keen on more practical support right inside HubSpot, Neighborhood offers a comprehensive, easy to follow course so you're making the most out of your HubSpot investment. It even comes with a money back guarantee. To find out more, check out the link in the description below. And if you're wanting to take today's learning offline though, we'll also include a free downloadable PDF in the description below as well. All right, well, let's get stuck in. So let's first find out where we can find the tracking codes. So this is kind of roughly what your account will look like. It might look like this. It might not have any data, but anyway, if you need to get there, just go up to the cog that you can see up here. If you click on the cog, it will take you to a page. You can sort of see this is my general page here. Down the left-hand side, it's kind of already expanded here, tracking and analytics. This is where you want to click the chevron and it will go down and you'll see a bunch of 4 different ones. The one that we want is the one at the top here called tracking code. We'll click this one here. And what we'll have here is basically the embed code that you want. So for those playing at home and know what they're doing, this is the code that you need to be pasting into the head of every single page that you want track. So remember, this will track your traffic. It will also track form submissions if they aren't HubSpot forms, but it'll also help get that cookie onto the visitor's computer so we can start actually tracking them within HubSpot and actually start seeing their behavior and activities as well. So if you've got absolutely zero idea on how to do that and this is all completely foreign to you, then you can email your web developer if you click on this link here and put their their email address in there. They'll get the email. They should know what to do if they're your developer. If a complete worst case scenario, you've got absolutely no idea how to do this, just reach out to us in the comments below or email us at weare@nbh.co and we'll be able to point you in the right direction. If you do have a WordPress site, which is a large amount of people out there, it's pretty easy. So what you can do first and foremost is you can go to the plugins area, search for the HubSpot plugin, install that, and simply just log into your HubSpot account inside there. That should automatically set it up for you. There's nothing really you need to be doing. There's also another way. If you go down here to WordPress installation, there is a downloadable zip file here. You'll take that zip file and you will upload it into the plugins area, and then your hub ID is there, which you'll copy and place into the area inside WordPress. For those that want a little bit more customization, that know what they're doing, you can also use the customize the JavaScript area in here as well. Simply click on that and then you can start tracking different type of events as well. Last but not least is the advanced tracking here too. So if you're wanting this tracking to go across different domains as well, not necessarily just the same one that you've got there as well, then you're able to handle the cross-domain traffic and you'll enter the domain in here. And there you have it. You now know how to install HubSpot tracking code across your pages right inside HubSpot. Now, if you're wanting to make the most out of your HubSpot investment, Neighborhood does offer a step-by-step course covering marketing, sales, service, and CMS Hub in depth, ensuring you and your team are best serving your customers while developing efficient internal processes. We'll leave a link in the description below. If you're after a PDF version of what you've learned today and you want to pass it to a mate, we'll include a link in the description below as well. And if you've gained value from this video or you're keen to learn more about HubSpot, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. But for now, happy HubSpotting.